We will discuss how vitamins work, which ones are most important, and how to obtain them. When we say vitamins, we mean substances which are necessary for normal body functioning, and we cannot produce them in sufficient quantities in our body. That's why we must obtain vitamins from food. If we lack them, it creates a complex of symptoms which can be reversed by taking them. For example, history shows that sailors suffered from loose teeth, bleeding gums, and sores that did not heal, and the simple solution was introducing lemons or oranges into their diet. This condition was caused by a deficiency of vitamin C, and the disease is called scurvy. On the other hand, Charles Dickens implicitly portrayed malnourished, impoverished children suffering from vitamin D deficiency, a condition known as rickets. Similarly, workers on rice-based diets lacking whole grains or meat often experience vitamin bone deficiency, known as beriberi, which leads to extreme weakness, swelling, and heart failure. In American literature, vitamin B3 deficiency is well described among South American people, primarily on corn-based diets. They suffered from pellagra, marked by the 4 Ds, dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia, and death. We recognize 13 essential vitamins. 4 of them are fat-soluble, and the other 9 are water-soluble. Fat-soluble means that to absorb these vitamins, they must be taken with fats. Otherwise, the body will not absorb them effectively. These vitamins are stored in fatty tissue and the liver and can be retained for prolonged periods, meaning daily intake is not required. However, they can accumulate in the body and reach toxic levels if consumed excessively. Water-soluble vitamins are not stored in the body in large quantities and are easily excreted in the urine, so toxicity from water-soluble vitamins is rare. However, deficiency of these vitamins is also common. The most common vitamin deficiencies worldwide include: the most deficient is vitamin D. It is difficult to obtain from food, but it can be synthesized by the body through sunlight exposure or taken as a supplement. The second deficient, vitamin B12, is found only in meat and dairy products. It can be obtained from meat, eggs, and milk. Vitamin B12 deficiency is very common among vegans and older adults with absorption issues. Vitamin A deficiency is common as well. Liver fish, dairy products, and orange-colored fruits and vegetables contain vitamin A. And vitamin C deficiency often occurs due to inadequate intake of fruits and vegetables. Now let's discuss what each vitamin does. Vitamin A is important for healthy vision because it is a component of rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that helps detect light, especially in low light conditions. This is why a deficiency in vitamin A causes night blindness, one of the earliest symptoms of vitamin A deficiency, where a person is unable to see in low light. Vitamin A is also important for cellular growth and communication, helps maintain the integrity of skin and mucous membranes, and has antioxidant properties that protect the body from oxidative stress. However, constant intake of high amounts of vitamin A can cause liver damage and has a teratogenic effect, meaning vitamin A or related substances are prohibited during pregnancy. Vitamin D is important for the absorption of calcium and bone strength. Its deficiency causes rickets in children, leading to bone deformities and osteoporosis and osteomalacia, which are conditions of bone weakness in adults. Vitamin D is also crucial for immune system function. Deficiency of vitamin D is associated with many chronic diseases, including some cancers. However, excessive intake of vitamin D can cause calcium stones in the kidneys and calcium deposition in internal organs like the heart and kidneys, a condition known as calcification, which is also a serious problem. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting. It is essential for synthesizing clotting factors in the liver. Without it, even minor injuries can lead to excessive bleeding. That is why all newborns are given an injection of vitamin K to avoid bleeding. Deficiency of vitamin K causes easy bleeding, nosebleeds, and bleeding gums. Vitamin E is a strong and powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. Many chronic diseases and aging are related to oxidative stress. Vitamin A also enhances immune response, particularly in older adults, and helps the body protect against infections. Additionally, it protects the skin from UV radiation. Deficiency of vitamin A causes muscle weakness, an unsteady gait, and vision problems as nerves and muscles are damaged. However, excessive vitamin E may interfere with vitamin K and can increase the risk of bleeding. Now let us discuss water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin C is important for immune system function and is a strong antioxidant. It is essential for collagen synthesis and supports the skin, blood vessels, bones, and connective tissues. It also enhances immune system function and helps the body fight off infections. Additionally, it is important for preventing iron deficiency anemia. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy characterized by swollen gums, joint pain, and poor wound healing. Without treatment, it can be fatal. Generally, it is difficult to reach a high enough dose of vitamin C to cause significant toxicity because excessive amounts are excreted in the urine as vitamin C is water-soluble. However, if a person regularly takes more than 2,000 milligrams daily, it increases the risk of kidney stones. Now let us talk about the group of B vitamins. At first, they were discovered in the same types of foods, and scientists thought B vitamins were similar. That is why they are all called vitamin Bs. For example, meat and fish contain almost all vitamin B types. Vitamin bone, also called thiamine, is essential for converting carbohydrates into energy and supports nerve function. Vitamin B2, called riboflavin, is an important antioxidant. Vitamin B3, known as niacin, is crucial for energy production and DNA repair. Vitamin B5, or pantothenic acid, is important for fatty acid metabolism and hormone production. Vitamin B6 or pyridoxine is essential for protein metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, and red blood cell production. Vitamin 7 or biotin is essential for the health of skin, hair, and nails and has many other functions. Vitamin B9, known as folate, is crucial for DNA synthesis, cell division, and proper fetal development during pregnancy. Vitamin B12, called cobalamin, is important for nerve protection, DNA synthesis, and the creation of red blood cells.